Hello guys, welcome back me. My name is Widya Tribestari and my student it number is 20236303. In this video, I will explain the first journal about the stability analysis of mine openings and coal pillar in underground mining using the ROM and pillar method at PT Alit Indo Coal Jaya. On the first page of the journal, we can see abstract section. In this part, the researchers briefly explain the purpose of the study, the method to study, and also to obtain result of research basically. This research focus on analysis the stability of mine openings and coal pillar in underground mining. In the room and pillar mining method, some parts of the coal and intelligence of pillar its core, the roof of the mine, the underground openings remain stable. Next, the research calculate and stress acting on the coal pillar using the distributive area theory. From this calculation, the star acting on the pillars is around 6.775 megapixel. Mean Hill district of the coal pillar is about 17.6 megapixel basic on April calculation. From the result of safety factor on the pillar is about 0.62, which means the pillars the condition is still stable. This research also analyzes the quality of the rock meshing on the rock. Thank you from video. See you, goodbye.
Good night, hello everyone. And the following I will review journal titled Stability Analysis of Hole Openings and Pillar during the mining block development process in underground mining using the room and pillar method at PT Elite Indo Coal IJ Jaya. And my name is Taufik Sharul Popoy. NIM 202,253,035. On the back 2, mining block development phase begins with the excavation of 4 local shafts through 112 me upward after reaching the planet mining boundary. Each local shaft is exerted toward the exponent local shaft exponent panel H3 and pillar. The resulting pillar geometry is current measuring 12 and 12 m kali 12 meter. Geotechnical studies are essential and stake to ensure safe working conditions. And several mining from into the mining blocks have begun to become critical and experience for this evident condition of the support heights and wood, which have begun to bend and break in several places. And next, 2. Research location. This research was conducted at PT Indo Coal IJ Jaya Underground Mine located in Parambaran Village, Talawi District, Sawalunto City, West Sumatra Province. This research focused on the B1 seam coal layer specific block are in tunnel. This location experience 137 meter from the tunnel extend with an average floor slope of 120 and figure and mining light of stone and 1 and 2 seam by 1. And next, 3. Research method. This research was conducted from September 3, 2018 to September and 29, 2018. The research location was PT Elite Indo Coal IC Jaya Sawalunto. Next, 3.1 Types of shares. This research is a type of applied research, systematic and logical activity aimed of discovering something new or applying existing research. Unlike pure research, applying research emphasizes the application of knowledge. And next, and 3.2 data collection stack. The data collection and phase begin with primary data collection on Colosseum strike and deep hall and the pillar geometry. Expansion deck and laboratory of testing of coal and silestone samples. Data Tunnel was conducted in block 2 of tunnel 1, which has pillar size of 12 feet to 12 feet, 12 feet to 12 feet meter kali 12 feet and excavated height of 5 meter. The next 3.3 data processing stack. Data processing carried out the equal collecting incident distress, the source location trace on the pillar trends, a factor called recovery and rock mass classification. And next 3.31 the determination of in situ stress. Rock masses depth collocation will experience in situ stress generated by the weight of the soil rock above them gravitational stress. And next 3.3.11 vertical in situ stress. This is false can be estimated from the sample relationship V sama dengan Y point Z. Information vertical in Q in vertical inverse stress MPa. Y with weight of rock mass above the element and Z ton per M3 sama dengan depth from surface M meter. 3.31.2 horizontal in situ stress. Typically, the ratio of horizontal in situ stress to vertical in situ stress expressed by K so that OH sama dengan K AVK sama dengan 0,25 tambah 7 EH 001 tambah 1 Z. What? Wait. That's all from me. Thank you. Good night.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Angelina, NIM 2023633019. Di sini saya akan review jurnal dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. In underground mining, pillar stress calculation is important to mine stability. In underground mining, pillar stress calculation is important to maintain main stability. The tributary area terror explains that 8 pillars support the wing of the rock above it. The tributary area are planned that 8 pillars support the width of the rock above it. Main flow in proposal and formula to calculate the stress on pillar. Main code in mining 6 for perfect the of Mlula to calculate the stress acting on and pillar. A note import concept is the instruction ratio and the important concept in the extract eigen ratio. Eigeners as rock mass rating to classify rock quality. And this also uses rock mass rating to classify rock quality. This system helps engineers design safe underground mining. This system helps engineers design safer underground mining. Sekian dari review saya. Terima kasih.
Hello guys, my name is Sofulakin Sabandar. Here I'll brief discuss the journal room and pillar stability analysis during the mining block development process in underground mining, room and pillar method at PT Alit Indo Coal Jaya, specifically on page 7. Okay, let's get straight to it. Rock mass classification system. The rock mass characterization was conducted using the rock mass rating system, also known as the geomechanics classification. Total RMR score based on observation and calculation. The total RML value for the coal in the reserve area is 56. Rock class with an RMR value of 56. The rock mass is categorized as class 3 fire rock. Engineering recommendation. Stand-up time. The recommended stand-up time for the opening is 508 hours. Maximum span. The recommended maximum span for the opening is 6 meters. Key parameter evaluated. The classification was determined by evaluating the following 6 parameters. 1. Uniaxial compressive strength. 2. Rock quality designation. 3. Spacing of discontinuous. 4. Condition of discontinuation. 5. Groundwater condition. 6. Orientation of discontinuation adjustments based on the strike and depth of joint relative to the excavation. Thank you.
Next, the calculation RMR from this intersection point, the maximum stand-up time and span value for the research location can be determined. We can look figure 7, determination of stand-up time and the maximum span value for RMR value 516 at the research location. From the graph above, it can be seen that the roof span value for the type of rock coal at the research location is a 975 meter and the maximum stand-up time in around 518 hours. Next, rock mass parameters. The following parameters are used to obtain the strength value of in-ton rock, tensile stress, deformation modulus, cohesion, and the friction angle using rock clamp software based on Moh column stress analysis. The following are the result of the data processing using rock clamp V1010 software. These values were then used as input parameters to determine the stress condition and the opening and pillars using phase 2. We can look in figure 8, Mohr column curve for coal seam, and figure 9, Mohr column curve for coal seam. This following is a summary of the rock mass parameter value, each layer, coal and siltstone resulting from the rock clamp data processing. And now, numerical modeling. Modeling was considered to exist the stress condition and strength factor or safety factor at the block 2 location. Changes in the stress condition and safety factor are presented in 3 stages: before excavation, during development, local self-excavation, and during the track mining or entire extraction of the pillar. The following are the result of 3D modeling using phase 2 software for the mean stress and the strength factor parameter. Now, main stress. The following is 2D model of the stress change condition during the excavation process, which is divided into 3 stages.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Trivani Dewi Tameng, NIM 2023-63003. Di sini saya akan mereview jurnal menggunakan bahasa Inggris. From the 3 models above, it can be observed how the stress condition change at each other trench of mining. The expansion of the local shaft during the development process does not significantly affect the overall stress condition. This is because the expansion location is relatively deep and the expansion area is not very safe. Significant can change in stress condition occur during the retreat mining process, where the mining block area, block 2, expansion considerable stress change. 4.10.2 stress change factor 4.10.2.1 before expansion. Figure stress factor condition before expansion. Stress factor condition during the development process. 4.10.2.3 during the district mining process. Figure 15 stress factor condition during the retreat mining process. Expansion in the mining block area, block 2, else affect the stress factor value in the area. Interest the stress factor to critical condition, failure. Occur from the development stage to the retreat mining stage. The stress factor value in block 2 during the development process range from 2.21 to 2. Average 2. The stability of underground openings and the pillar in underground mining using the room and pillar method is evaluated by several factors including expansion depth, material type, mining geometry, geotechnical structure condition, and rock mass characteristic. Table 15, comparison between analytical and numerical calculation analytically. The average stress value from each pillar is 6,722 megapixel, whereas numerical using the PACE2 software, the average stress value on each pillar is 4.2 megapixel in the pillar safety factor based on analytical conclusion is 2.62, while number using PACE2 software is 2.53 in geological stability analysis of underground openings and pillar concrete analytical and numbering to 2D modeling produce result not significant different. 3-4 both approach can be used together is design of profile mining geometry based on a comprehensive geotechnical study. The evaluation of mining geometry planning can be carried by order to increase coal recovery while conditioning the safety factor through simulation calculation for several pillar size. Thank you.